So quick video for you guys who have rust in your washer. I picked out a bunch of these shavings like this. They're real hard. We did a load of laundry and found a bunch of these inside. Big chips, little chips. They're on our clothes as well. You can kind of see them all in there. So real quick, what the cause of this is the agitator underneath is rusted. So in order to take this off, I already had all this taken off. You're gonna grab the auger here, the agitator, with two hands, and you're gonna give it a really hard jerky motion. Don't hit yourself in the face, pop it off. That's gonna be your problem right there. This is all metal and it's rusted out. So there you go. Looks like I'll be getting a new washer.